Hello guys, welcome again. In this tutorial I'm going to teach about algebraic expression whereby we are going to learn simplification by factorization. So we are going to start solving the question right away, and it says simplify by use of common factors. So we got part A, which we have the numerator. So we are going to start simplifying the numerator, factorize the numerator of part A is x squared minus 4x. So the common factor here is x in the two terms. So we got the A term and the B term. So we have x being common, x into bracket. We have x part 2. So when you take one x, it becomes x power 1. Then minus 4x. When x goes out of the bracket, becomes 4. So that is the numerator. So it was numerator over denominator. Denominator is going to divide by x minus 4. So you can see x minus 4 and x minus 4 are the same. And the final answer here becomes x. That is part A. It's very simple, you can see. Part B, we also have the numerator. So I'm just going to abbreviate it as NUM to be the numerator. So we got 3bx minus 3by plus 4ax minus 4ay. So the common factor, we got the first, second, third, fourth term. So the common factor in the first, we are going to pair them, first two and the last two. So pairing the first two, we got the common factor in the first two to be 3b, the common factor in the first two. So 3b outside the bracket, you are going to be left with this x minus 3b outside the bracket, you are going to be left with the y. That is the first bracket with a 3b outside the bracket. Then plus the common factor in 4ax and 4ay is 4a. Into bracket 4x remains in the side in the brackets. We got x, then minus y. So numerator, now we got whatever is inside the brackets is x minus y on both sides. Now we are going to take 3b plus 4a. That is what is outside the bracket. 3b plus 4a. So 3b and 4a are outside the bracket. Then one of the brackets becomes x minus y. Then finally divide by the denominator. Denominator is 4a plus 3b. So 4a plus 3b is just the same as 4a plus 3b is just the same as 3b plus 4a. We're going to find 4a plus 3b, cancel 3b plus 4a, which are just the same. And the final answer becomes x minus y. So this is the final answer in part B. Now when you come to part C, we have the numerator. The numerator in part C, which is 4xy minus 3x plus 8y squared minus 6y. So we need to factorize, we need to pair them, the first two and the last two. So the common factor in the first two is x. X is common in 4xy and also in 3x. We're going to take x outside the bracket, into bracket, x 4xy. When x goes with x, because x has gone outside the bracket, we got to left with 4y, then minus 3, because this x is outside the bracket, then plus the common factor is the GCD of 8 and 6. GCD of 8 and 6 is a 2. GCD of y squared and y is a y. So 2y goes outside the bracket. Then 8 divided by these two. 8 divided by these two, we got a 4. Then we had 2 y's, y squared. Now when y goes outside the bracket becomes, we are going to be left with only one y. Then minus 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by this 2 is a 3. Then we don't have a y because y has gone outside the bracket. So now numerator we got what's outside the bracket is x plus 2y. So we're going to have x plus 2y into bracket, open another bracket, 4y, sorry. So we're going to have 4y minus 3. So that is the numerator. Then over denominator here we have x plus 2y. So x plus 2y cancels this one. So the final answer becomes 4y minus 3. And this is the answer. So subscribe for more updates and the teaching videos on YouTube. Thank you.